Hi, I'm Mr. Worker. I want to share with you the new way to buy online the ultimate work tools for professional maintenance and repair operations. Introducing the Festool planer. EHL-HL850 EB+. This tool allows you to plane close to the edge and create grooves with unlimited depth, thanks to its one-sided supported planing head. Need precise chamfers? The 90° V-groove machined into the sliding plane does just that. Adjust your chip removal depth with progressive precision for greater accuracy on edge stops and smoothing jobs. Plus, enjoy a constant cutting speed through electronic regulation. With smooth planing from the spiral knife and effective chip extraction on either side, this tool is designed for efficiency. Whether you're reworking door jambs or tackling large surfaces, the Festool planer EHL-HL850 EB+ is your go-to solution. Mr. Worker, work tools for professionals.